Hey guys, if you want to learn how to get the new Chris Evans haircut from Avengers Endgame, then definitely watch today's video. Really exciting news, guys. For the first time ever on my YouTube channel, I am doing a giveaway in collaboration with a number of really incredible brands, and it's the Winter Essentials giveaway. And this giveaway has a prize value of over $1,000. So one lucky person is going to be getting an amazing amount of products, from my own products to healthy snacks, nail polish, skincare, and a whole variety of other really incredible high quality products with these amazing brands. So the link of where to enter information is to potentially win is in the description below. So even if you pause this video right now and you go down and sign up for it, you have the potential to win this incredible giveaway. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be transforming this mannequin into Chris Evans or Captain America from the new upcoming Avengers Endgame movie by Marvel Studios, which everybody was reaching out to me as soon as that trailer came out and Chris Evans popped in, and all of a sudden, look at that hair. So I'm going to be breezing through this. We're keeping pretty much a lot of the length throughout the top here. I'm going to be tapering this area down through here, also the back. So we're going to skim through it. Let's get started. All right, so let's break down the haircut. So what I did is I started with a number 6 guard throughout the nape area, and then switched over to a number 8 guard, and really just created some areas into here that are a bit shorter. And then I went over clipper over comb to then blend this in and keep it somewhat tapered, not super short, but definitely to keep a nice little taper going on, but still keeping it longer. Went right around the ear and through here. Brought it up to the sides to where I then started to go scissor over comb right into this area. So this part is probably about, I'd say, an inch long, 1.5 inches the most, right in through here. And then working into the top where I connected this part into this part. Definitely not cutting this too short, but keeping a nice solid transition, especially following around the head shape here, to where this is about, I'd say, 2.5 inches working up into 3, and then probably the very front where it's got it to the longest in through here. I would say this is about 4.5, 5 inches in length. And then I blow dried it all back. Then I used my product Shadow to style it. And the key to this whole thing really is just keeping this part longer than everything else. You can kind of, you can take this shorter if you want, you can leave it longer, but the key to this whole haircut is leaving this part the longest so that when it kind of comes down like this, you can see the pieces kind of hanging down the side and through here. which I think looks really, really good. And he's also really known for that too. So there is a finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy. And don't forget to sign up to potentially win the amazing giveaway. The link, again, is in the description below. Prize value of over $1,000 of incredible products, including my own. Thank you guys. You could be the winner.